Archidply Industries Limited brings you Archidply Plywood, a brilliant mix of style and durability. Plywood consists of veneers made from various types of wood timbers and bonded with adhesives. Logs segregated according to physical quality and geometry are conditioned and softened by water, cut and debarked into exact measured lengths, peeled into thin veneers by a spindle's peeling machine. The veneers are further clipped into predetermined width and length and taped together. Veneers are stripped of moisture in conveyor-belted dryers at controlled temperatures. Veneers are then put together through state-of-the-art Taiwanese make-core composer machine to make standard 4-foot by 8-foot core veneer sheets. The composed core sheets are then coated with in-house manufactured specialized resins. Commercial plywood uses melamine-based resin and waterproof plywood uses phenolic-based resin. Assembling is done in odd-numbered layers determining the thickness of structural plywood. The composed panel is loaded and pre-pressed in the cold hydraulic press. Once pre-pressed, it is then carefully moved to the hot press at predetermined temperatures. Plywood is then trimmed to exact size by using modern laser-based cutting machines and thoroughly sanded. Finally, plywood is treated by dipping into preservative chemicals to make it durable and long-lasting. It is quality checked to make sure that each and every plywood meets world-class standards. Ready to be precisely labeled and stacked for loading. Bringing you an array of plywood, each with distinctive qualities. Platinum Prime Plywood, Marine Plywood, Gold MR and BWR Plywood, Classic MR and BWR Plywood, Fire Retardant Plywood. In the manufacturing of densified film-faced plywood, both the core veneer and the panel veneer are coated with phenolic resin along with the extra-thick film-faced paper layer to impart shuttering properties. The assembled product is passed through high-density press to give the desired densified film-faced plywood. Archidply also brings you blockboards. Logs are cut into planks in the sawmill. These are then seasoned to strip them of any trace of moisture, cut into strips, and made into blockboard frames, which are filled with battens in between. Parallelly, face veneers and core veneers follow the same manufacturing process as in plywood. And finally, the blockboard frame along with the core veneer and face veneer are assembled and pressed together, bringing blockboards that we are proud to present to you. Gold MR and BWP Blockboard, Classic MR and BWP Blockboard. Archidply flush doors are manufactured from perfectly seasoned and chemically treated solid wood construction with stiles and rails. Use of double-layered core veneer ensures smooth surface finish for decorative application. Having an in-house laminate manufacturing facility gives Archidply the ability to also make factory-ready laminated doors. All products are then ready to be dispatched to beautiful homes across the world. Archidply also brings you best in-class products like Otis, Sylvie, and Monarch Ply that garner a tremendous market demand. These myriad products meet the high standards of quality with the revolutionary Toxin Check Technology that has won us prestigious clients the world over. Clients from myriad industries like banking and insurance, educational institutes, airports, government sector, hospitals, corporate, hotels, and housing, to name a few. No wonder we can confidently say, Archidply, the future of space.